Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to contacts if you are not here, so it's the middle tab. Select the contact that you would like to change this profile picture, in my case it would be Tony. Tap on details here, and now select edit. Pick the camera icon, which is for profile picture, and you can either choose something from your gallery by tapping on the gallery, or you can also use some from the default photos. It's up to you whichever you would like to have, and I will pick this one. So now just pick the photo, tap on save, and that's it. As you can see now, this brand new profile picture is added to Tony, and if you will go back, you will be able to notice it right next to the name, and also you will be able to see it once Tony will be calling you. So that would be all how you can add profile picture to Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.